In school, we learned match the following.
Yeah,
Use that.
match the following.
Then you'll come to know what's common.
I don't get it actually.
Okay. Uh, the common between both is, right, you have a set process, right, which you are following, right? If there is a break in any of the two processes, right, uh, something may not work right, or right, something may not work right. Now here comes match the following. Means the process that you're following when you wake up, and the process that you follow to get dressed, right? The common between is that you have it stepwise,
Yeah,
right? Why I spoke about this is, and the Google Notes. Uh, Note down what you want to do and make it concise, not elaborate, right? To the point, right?
yeah.
And once you are done that, right? Uh, what I would want you to do is, uh, how would I say that is, where do you stay?
Kokra,
Which place?
Ramchali, Ramchali gate number 2.
Okay. My place is a little further from there. Mine is Pujawala Bazaar. We don't stay there, my uncle, but we built it. So let's say, uh, and you're studying where?
Nelson High School,
You're studying at Nelson's. Old one or the new one?
old one.
The old one. Okay. Mm, you are late for school,
Yeah,
right? And you have one option. The first is walking, second is cycling, third is bike, and fourth is auto rickshaw. To reach there in time, how would you uh, place these four?
if I'm getting late,
Mm,
I would like easily or like preferably go with a bike,
mm. Then the second would be,
cycle,
means, give me all four.
and then auto rickshaw,
Mm.
and then walking.
Okay. Uh, what did you do just now?
Uh, you gave me a question, I gave it answer, but
Mm.
from simple to complex, I guess.
No.
Bike.
Okay, I'll put it in a different way. Right?
Okay.
Uh, you've gone for a wedding reception,
Okay.
right? So where the desserts are, right? Over there, right? One place you have the ice cream, right? And the second place you have is the, let's say, matka kulfi, right? What would be your first choice?
Well, I haven't like known about matka kulfi,
Matka
not
kulfi is
much.
kulfi.
Okay.
Okay.
So I would probably go with ice cream,
Okay. Why?
because I have been known about it, and maybe if the flavor which is there, it might be my favorite. It becomes my favorite.
Okay.
Matka kulfi, like I know that it might be the same as everyone is having, or the same old it was.
That is where you already solved your problem.
still don't get it. How could like money and satisfying family would be like
When I started,
yeah
means when we began talking, right? How did I start with?
dressing up?
No,
So
before that.
Jesus and something like that.
What did I say?
That Jesus told us that everyone's want things easier
Hmm.
in short term, benefits they see in a short term, but they don't look at in the
The
long
loss.
way they are gonna
The
have
loss
in
at the
long loss in
long
the
end,
long. Yeah, sure.
right?
Yeah.
So what he's trying to say is, and what you already done it is, you set your priorities, right? What you already know, right, you prefer that. That's why you went for a bike to reach school in time. That's why you went for ice cream because you know it.
But like still like I have no idea about nor the trading stuff and nor the army stuff.
Hmm.
I'm still in the balance,
Hmm.
not having like proper like knowledge of trading and even in army,
Hmm.
because army even requires a lot of syllabus and training and all.
Hmm.
I mean, training would be okay, physical would be okay, but first they ask for written exam.
Yeah.
So they and medical, physical.
Hmm.
So might be a little bit.
There is written, there is oral, there is viva.
No, not like that.
There
Just
is.
a simple written exam
No. If
on
you
computer.
if you pass the written,
Yeah.
then there is oral.
No,
If you
no.
yes,
Absolutely not.
yeah,
Maybe that would be for high like high posters, but not for like
okay,
common.
maybe yeah, because I'm 1996 NDA retired third.
Okay.
Uh, this is where the Google Notes thing comes in.
Okay.
Do write down what uh, your goals are. First, write down the goals. Right? After the goals comes SOPs. SOPs are system operating procedures. Right? So system operating procedures, they need not be something that has only to do with machines. Right? So for each note that you write, your target, right? Set down what the process would be like, and after that, set the priorities. And you mentioned that you tend to go into depression, right? Uh, what one of the outlook symptom is, right? Whatever is in your mind, right? Talk to someone whom you trust. What's
But
running in your mind?
but there is no one with whom I can talk freely. Everyone is just having their own perspective. They are like, if I talk with my friend and tell him about it, he just tell me that do trading or
Uh,
just be yourself, do whatever you want. But that's not an answer at all.
that's not an answer, right? But there would be someone, right? Or like what I do is, right? If I'm hung up in something, right? I just say, seat of wisdom. You tell me what to write. Right? So what I would suggest is, right? Uh, you have the goddess Saraswati, right? she is the goddess of knowledge.
Yeah.
Right? Ask her. You show me the way. So whenever you are in bed or anything, right? In your heart, just talk to them. I do that, and I find the way also.
But I don't think there would be any answer for that.
Yes, you will get the answer, right? But the only thing is, right, the answer that you get is, do you see the answer? It's not going to be something that is external, right? First, it begins with internal, right? And then when you recognize that, then you'll see the external.
So you're still working at Google?
Yeah, I'm still working.
Like at what post?
Senior manager operations.
Senior manager. There might be a lot of salary, right?
Yeah.
But
I started in 2005.
but I don't understand the way you're looking and the place where you are staying at. Doesn't match.
It doesn't matter. I know that,
I'm sorry for that.
and I understand that, because the thing is, right? It's an old, centuries old saying.
Okay.
Actions speak louder than words.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
They say.
The people who know me, right, they know who I am. But the thing is, I don't show off, because I'm a Roman Catholic. Right? And as I said, seat of wisdom is Mother Mary. And one of her virtues is humility.
So, like, wasn't there any time when you felt in your teen that you also like having a lot of problems and you want money to buy a supercar, super bike? Not any of that.
I did dream, right? But okay, I'll tell you a little history about myself.
Okay.
I passed 12th standard in 2005, 1995,
Okay, 1995.
right? My friends, they said, it's vacation, let's go somewhere.
Okay.
I said, they suggested Kulu Manali. I said, I've already been there, Kulu Manali. But still, we went. Right? So I spoke to my dad, and my dad told me that I'll give you the traveling expenses. The rest you manage. So what I did is I spoke to a friend, right? And he told me that there is a shop behind Gayamshala, Kankaria, Vadilal Soda Fountain. That guy needs a person to manage it. $800 a month. Right? Have to go there at 10 o'clock, open the shop, do the cleaning, manage the customers, and leave at 8 o'clock in the evening, night.
After passing to.
After, in my vacation of 12th standard,
Okay.
right? I'm an IT guy since 1988.
Okay, 1980.
Right? I studied in 7th grade.
Okay.
Right? Then I went to Mount Abu. I was the only Gujarati in our batch. Right? So, 8th, 9th and 10th standard, right? We have an optional subject.
Okay.
So, three of my friends, we said, okay, let's learn Spanish. As extra subject, but we didn't have teachers, right? So Spanish was cancelled. Now, then we said Karnataki Shastri Sangeet
तो
No
बढ़िया
teacher.
था ऑनलाइन तू
for Karnataki Shastri Sangeet. But then we opted for Hindustani Shastri Sangeet.
काय नाही
So we did Hindustani Shastri Sangeet.
1000 रुपया थोड़ी है यार तो यार नवा नवा लिखा
But since I was the only Guju, right,
हाँ तो 500 रुपया
I was also told to study computers. And computers had come to India
हाँ
at
तो
that time.
दे दिया था 500 1000 था ना ये आप 1500 500 भी आ जाता
When I was in Mount Abu, right, we were free, but there were restrictions.
એવું ના હોય ને આમાં તો 500 રોજ
Why I mentioned this is that you are at a stage, right?
ના એવું નથી
It is called late puberty, where you have to make a workflow
કયા
that would guide you through the decisions that
હા
you
તો
make.
પછી આપે ને મારા વાઈફે તો 500 બીજા પછી 1500 મિનિટ આપે
When I was in my 10th standard in Mount Abu, right, we have a
હા તો એની
book
તો
fair.
એની પર ગણિત આપે તો ને 600 થી તારા
Right.
ગણિત ગયા 500
So I was the odd person from the beginning in school. Right? The book that I bought first one was The Power of Positive
હા તો
Thinking.
500 થયા ને 1000
The power of positive thinking.
Right? The second one I bought was Sex and Teenager.
આખો દિવસ આખી રાત કરાવી જતા
Sex and teenage.
3 થી 4 કલાક 3 થી 4
So
કલાક
brother
4
Anish,
કલાક હતા.
our biology teacher, he told me, Guju, why are you buying this?
10 વાગે બોલે એટલે જે બધા કામ તો હોય ને
He was testing me. I didn't know that he was testing me. And I said, why? Because I know what puberty is.
ના 500 જ ચાલે છે
I don't want to be like the ones who lose their enthusiasm in puberty.
બદલો માટે 500 રૂપિયા જ લીધા ના ના બરાબર
Now what happens is, when I'm writing something on Facebook,
એવું નથી 500 કોઈ સવાલ નથી પણ
my colleagues and even our my sirs and teachers,
અને જ્યારે પેલું જ્યારે મારે
they tell me
emergency કામ હોય ત્યારે ફોન
તું કભી નહીં સુધરે.
તારા પૈસા મારે બીજું બી કામ હતું
the reason, right? Somebody
ના ના હવે તું શાંતિ રાખ,
makes a
ના,
post
તારા
about
કામ
something.
હતું, તારે મારા બીજો set કરી દીધો.
right?
હા તો અત્યારે મારી પાસે
How I take it as like there was one guy, Preston Coelho. Preston Coelho, what he does is, right? We were the batchmates.
કે આ બધો જો
he had an
સામાન તો
issue.
આપણે skip કર્યો ને બધો.
Right, professional
બધું
one.
જ એમાં લોડ આવી ગયો
So what I told him is,
એમની લોડ કરી એના પછી
brother Anish taught us one thing in
જે લેવાના
physics,
જે દીધું આપ્યા
and he said that about the Archimedes principle.
કીધું
So if you know the Archimedes principle, right, then you can
અત્યારે
take
તો
it
કઈ ના
now.
થાય અત્યારે તો નાકલ પછી તું વાત કર નાકલ પર તને
Uh, when it comes to trigonometry,
અત્યારે તું મારી
right, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 1.
Yeah.
હા અત્યારે
Even
મારી
today,
અત્યારે તું
I put into practice simultaneous equations. This is where your priorities come. Simultaneous equations are two equations in arithmetic. Right? These two equations, and you have to balance those equations. Right? And at the same time, you have to see that both the equations, they don't differ. So when it comes to your priorities, right, take it over. You are studying in Nelson. You have chemistry.
Like I have taken commerce.
Okay, you've taken commerce. Balance sheet.
Yeah, balance sheet.
Balance sheet. You have the profit and loss.
Yeah, profit and loss.
Right. So when it comes to profit and loss, right, what about the assets? What about how do you put your income and expenditure?
Like we haven't reached over there.
Okay, a normal word. In your wallet, you got $100,
Yeah.
right? How we are going to reach about it? About your income and your expenses? Are you going to just spend those $100, or spend the $100 on something that you uh, end up saving money,
Yeah. The second option would be the great.
right? Because that is where profit and loss comes. Whether you are making profit or making loss,
Yeah.
right? So when it comes to your priorities, right? I mentioned system operating procedures, SOPs, right? So when it comes over there, so over there you see to it that uh, how much of a profit you are making and how much of a loss you are making. Because ultimately what's going to happen is, right, this profit and loss is going to impact your social life. Means how you take a day-to-day happenings, right? And how do you from the everyday day-to-day happenings, how do you tackle your priorities? What is important, right? चलो चले
Yeah. Sure. Milta.
Yeah.
See you again.
See you tomorrow.